The sun dips below the horizon, and our modern world goes quiet. The GPS signals remain, but in the heart of darkness, a biological signal takes over. Imagine a world where city mapping drones navigate like bats, silently charting urban canyons without relying on satellites. This isn't science fiction. It's the incredible reality we're building, inspired by a nocturnal marvel. We're diving deep into how a bat's ancient echolocation system, a biological sonar perfected over 50 million years, is literally shaping the future of autonomous vehicles and smart cities. Get ready to discover how nature's ultimate acoustic navigation is revolutionizing our technological landscape. The bat doesn't just hear, it sees with sound. Its sonic signature is a masterwork of precision. The bat emits high-frequency ultrasonic pulses, often well above 100 kHz, a sound far too high for humans to hear. The magic lies in the reception and interpretation. By constantly measuring the delay, intensity, and Doppler shift of the returning echoes, the bat constructs a perfect 3D acoustic image of its environment in real time. It can distinguish between a tiny fluttering moth and a rigid wall. It can identify the texture of a tree trunk, or even the surface tension of water. This is an adaptive sensor system, capable of adjusting its call rate, from a slow scanning pulse to a rapid terminal buzz when closing in on a target, a true biological frequency modulator. The principles of this biological sonar are the foundational blueprint for a revolution in autonomous navigation. The bat's ability to create a 3D acoustic image is precisely what robotics engineers want to achieve without the bulk of LiDAR or the reliance on external GPS. Crucial to this system is adaptive sensing. A bat flying through a cluttered forest instantly changes its call frequency and pulse rate to avoid jamming its own system with confusing echoes. This self-regulating ability is the core lesson for swarm robotics. We are translating these echo rules into algorithms that allow robotic fleets to navigate dense, complex, or GPS-denied environments with unprecedented resilience. Swarm robotics is the concept of decentralized intelligence, a collective of robots that achieve a complex goal through simple, localized rules, much like a flock of birds or a colony of bats. If one robot fails, the swarm continues. In traditional robotics, collision avoidance often requires heavy computational power. Unlock more groundbreaking science. Subscribe now. Bat-inspired systems are far simpler. They use echo intensity and timing to manage spacing. The rule is simple. If the echo from a neighbor is too loud, move away. If it's too quiet, move closer. This allows for incredible self-organization and resilience. A bat swarm moving through a pitch-black forest, or a robotic fleet sweeping a warehouse, operates on the same efficient, low-power principle of acoustic spacing. This technology is not theoretical. It is already beginning to revolutionize our physical world, starting with the complex landscape of the urban environment. Cities, with their narrow streets, radio interference, and high-rise canyons, are fundamentally difficult for satellite-based navigation. Bat-inspired sensors are creating hyper-detailed, real-time 3D city models, charting facades, utility lines, and air quality with millimeter precision, even indoors or underground where GPS fails. Imagine autonomous delivery drone fleets navigating dense urban canyons without relying on an external signal, using only sound to track their neighbors and avoid moving obstacles. Critically, this tech offers a future for disaster response. In the aftermath of a catastrophe, a building collapse, a chemical spill, resilient, self-organizing robotic swarms can be deployed. They don't need light. They don't need a Wi-Fi signal. They only need their sonic signature to chart chaos and search for survivors. Real-world lab footage of engineers testing acoustic-based navigation in a cluttered environment. The path forward involves integrating the bat's mastery of sound with our own advanced technologies. The next frontier is multimodal sensing, combining acoustic data with thermal and visual sensors to create a layered, redundant perception system that is immune to single-point failure. As these systems become ubiquitous, we must address the ethical considerations and public perception of silent, acoustic-sensing robots everywhere. Transparency and privacy safeguards are paramount. But the core lesson remains. Understanding nature's masterpieces leads to a future of more intelligent, adaptable technology. The bat, a creature of the dark, has gifted us the blueprint for resilience. It is a powerful call to innovation, to continue supporting the scientists and engineers who look to the natural world, to the echoes in the dark, to revolutionize our technological landscape and build a more adaptable future.